Hey guys, and welcome back to HealthClick. In this video, I will show you what is the Estroven Menopause Relief Weight Management Supplement is, what it offers, and how to use it. So let's get started. According to the Estroven Menopause Relief Weight Management is a dietary supplement designed for women experiencing menopause. The website says it's formulated to help support healthy weight management while also helping relieve common menopause symptoms such as hot flashes and night sweats using naturally sourced ingredients. According to the website, one of the key ingredients is this CQR300, which is basically a botanical extract that the company says helps support the serotonin balance and metabolic health to promote healthy weight management. To get any information on how it works, you can see it here from the website. So, as the website says, it's naturally sourced botanical supports serotonin balance and helps promote metabolic health to support healthy weight management. Also, we have the black cohoes. It will help you reduce the frequency and severity of hot flashes and night sweats. And it is a plant-based ingredient. So soy isoflavonous and black cohosh plant-based ingredient don't raise estrogen levels, which could pose a healthy risk according to the website. Also here, according to the website, the recommended way basically to use the Estroven weight management is to take one capsule a day or daily with or without food. The company says it can be taken at any time of the day and recommends using it constantly for at least 60 days to experience its intended benefits. Here you'll find more about the ingredients, and here you'll find the supplements facts as well, according to the website. And if you would like to purchase it, of course, or if you have any questions before, you can go down to see the reviews of other people according to that website. And if you scroll to the bottom of the page, you'll find frequently asked questions. So if you have any of those questions, you may find the answer down there. As you can see, many questions. I'm trying to open all the answers. If you have one of those questions, you can pause the video to read it out. Also, if you want to contact them, they do have a contact us page where you can pose an example your question and they will get back to you. So now, if you want to purchase this supplement, all you need to do just go and click on add to cart once you choose the one-time purchase or subscribe and save. So subscribe and save is much a bit cheaper, and it's flexible delivery, skip or cancel anytime, and free shipping, no minimums. If for one-time purchase, you're just going to get it once. And of course, there's the 30 pack or 60 pack, so it's up to you to choose whatever you want. If you want to buy it, as we said, click on add to cart and then click on checkout to be taken to the checkout page. From here, you'll have to enter your shipping and payment information, review your order, and complete your purchase by following the on-screen instructions, and you should be good to go. So if you found this helpful, hit that like and subscribe and watch our next video.